What up, guys? What up? What up? What up? What up? What's up? Happy New Year. Let's do it again, guys. Let's do it again. I know you miss me, and I miss you too. Okay. So, what we have before us is Bitcoin, right? This is Bitcoin. I believe it's visible. Let me widen the. Cool. So, what we have here is Bitcoin, right? And first, I really want to apologize for not being active as I used to be, right? I have been going through a lot lately. I traveled, changed my location, so many reasons not to be here. But I'm finally back, guys. Perfect. I think this is cool. For those in Cameroon, this device that you see me using, I sell it as well, okay? Which means you can get it if you want. You can just hit me up. Comes with this Bluetooth, high quality, a mouse. It's actually with a pen, okay? Keyboard like this. It works like a laptop, and you can also use it like a tablet. All right, guys. So let's analyze. This is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. All right. For those who follow me on TikTok and even here, I share a couple of videos on trades I've been taking on Bitcoin lately. Okay. Everyone knows that I am bullish on Bitcoin. Always. I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. I never sell Bitcoin. But guys, I recently sold Bitcoin and it dealt with me. That's why it is said breaking your trading plan or your rules is the start of failure in trading. Okay? So if you have a couple of rules set, make sure you don't break them. Make sure you don't. No matter what. Respect your trading plan, respect your rules. Once you do that, you are sure to go. But before we come back on Bitcoin, I want us to check a couple of trades that I'm currently in with my free community. So if you're not a part of the free community, because I share my signals every day, if you're not a part of my community, make sure you get in. The links are in the description, guys. Make sure you get in, okay? So this is GBP USD. This is exactly what we're anticipating for. This is what we've been waiting for, and it's still uh, running. Okay, running. So yeah, the trade is still running. Let me share this live with my community. Okay. Hi, you're welcome. Just tell me where you are watching from. Ahmed Lawal. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? So this is actually GBP USD. I'm anticipating that price should maybe continue pulling down all the way to okay. When price hits this zone, then I'm looking forward to have a buy. Okay. So feel free to share the live with a couple of friends so they can join us and let's have fun. Okay. And if you're not a part of the free community where I share my signals back to back for free, the links are in the description of this live. So go straight and join so that you can receive my signals like this for free. And from now henceforth, we'll be having live sessions. Okay. Okay. So this is what we have on this is what we have on GBP USD. And would you want me to do the whole top-down analysis? If yes, you tell me in the comment section. Okay, then for Euro USD, let's take a look, a closer look. at what we have going on Euro USD. Whoa, guys, we are almost at our first entry. Okay, we're almost at our first entry, but we don't just enter dramatically. We always wait for confirmation. That's why there is no pressure in trading. You don't need to pressurize yourself. You don't need to give yourself unnecessary pressure. All right, build your way up, build your way up. Be patient enough, build yourself, understand exactly what you want. Don't rush behind the market. Don't try to follow the market. Rather, respect and be patient. All right, hold on, wait for price will always come back to the right places. Okay, price was all the way up here when we noticed. We could just enter here thinking that, all right, price will continue rising. But what did we do? We came back where we expected price to come back, and now we are waiting. And if price comes here, we don't just enter dramatically, we wait for a confirmation. And once we get a confirmation, we buy and we travel with price all the way up, as easy as ABC. All right, so that is exactly what we do always. And for those who want to maybe have a device like this, I also supply it. If you're in Africa, maybe Cameroon, Nigeria, let me know in the comment section, and maybe you want one of these. It's actually um, it's a tablet that comes with mm, a keyboard, mouse, everything. All right, keyboard, mouse, a lot more. This, okay. So you can always hit me up and I'll supply. If my WhatsApp number is in the description section, so always write me if you want to. And at this point, we're waiting for price to come all the way down. And when price stops on this zone, then we'll be looking forward to get an entry. This is Euro USD, okay? Okay, I just want us to go through the pairs I have on my watch list right now that I've shared with my community, and they are waiting for this setup. So if you're not a part of the community, join in the comments join in the description section. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, guys, what do you think about um, USD What do you think about USD All right, as of now, I think we are a little bullish, and we just need to wait. I'm currently in a trade on this, but I did not share it. That's why you don't see any markup on my screen. But I bought somewhere here. Let me mark it out. One position, I took it here. My stop loss is somewhere down here. And what am I targeting? I'm targeting these highs. This is not financial advice. I'm taking my trade. It's my own setup. It's what I believe in. Okay? So if you believe, you can join me. It's not too late. So this is what I have on USD Japanese yen. Okay? I'm hoping that price continues to rally. If not, we get stopped out. There is nothing worse than us losing exactly what we plan to lose. That's why risk management is key in trading. Okay? Risk management is key. I also have a trading community, and if you want to know my risk management strategy, you can as well hit me up. Maybe you already have a trading strategy, you know how to trade, but you don't know how to manage your risk. You take $100 all the way to $500, and maybe you blow it back without even making any profit. You lose everything without withdrawing. So I can guide you and help you through that. All right. Okay. Then we go to the next point, the next one, which is GBP AUD. This is my favorite pair. Okay, this is one of my favorite pairs, but as of now, no setup. No setup for me on uh, GBP AUD. I'm just watching. I've been watching this pair for a couple of months now. No way to get a trade. 1 month, I think 2 months or more. I've not taken a single trade on this. I'm waiting for a confirmation. 2026 is going to give us crazy profits. Okay, so you still do not know how to trade. Now is the time for you to log in. All right, these are the first months of the year, or these are the first days of the year. Get in now, get locked in, and let's ride. Okay, join my free Telegram channel. There, I'm locked in for this year. I'll be dropping signals back to back. Just today, I've dropped more than 4 signals. Okay, which means we are going to go crazy. We are going all in trading. All right, for those who want to sack their bosses, now is the best time. Okay, now is the best. All right, so the next pair is GBP JPY. Yes, GBP JPY. This is what we're expecting. This is exactly what I think will happen in the near future. I'm expecting price to continuously pull back to this zone, and we maybe catch an entry where you see me anticipating for price to come. All right. So this is GBP GG. All right. This is a very volatile pair. I'm starting to love it. I'm beginning to love it. All right. So tell me your pairs in the comment section. If I've touched any pair that actually correlates with exactly what you think, and maybe we share the same analysis for today, feel free to also comment. Let me know. All right, guys. Love you so, so much. And I promise I will never abandon you again. All right. So if you're new to the channel, do not forget to show some love by subscribing. All right. Do not forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel, and I hope you all can hear me perfectly well. All right, I hope so. Just let me know in the comment section. Ahmed, Lawal, what's up? You're the only one who has actually dropped a comment, so anyone can tell me their point of view, what they think about what I'm saying, about the pairs I'm showing my analysis on, anticipations. Feel free to tell me what you think. All right, so this is exactly what we are expecting on GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY. All right, and let's now go to USD card. Okay, USD card. So, whoa, man, USD card has triggered our entry. It has triggered our entry. I have been triggered. I think I have been triggered. No capping. I have been triggered. And now, what do? We watch. We watch. If it plays out, we celebrate. If it hits us out, we cry and come back again. You know, that's trading, guys. So we are hoping that it goes in our favor. We just got triggered, okay? We just got triggered. And let's watch out and see exactly what price has to do. All right, you might want to know how I got this entry. Let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame. I believe you can see it. It's clear, guys. It's clear, guys. So, what do? We watch. We watch. And we hope that everything goes well. Okay? We watch and hope that everything goes well. Okay, so this is a USD card. If you believe in this setup, you too can take a sell on it. Okay, but if not, just watch. And you might also want to wait for a confirmation before you get in, which is more conservative. All right, it is more conservative. Instead of getting in aggressively, you can be conservative enough to wait patiently for your confirmation. But for me, I'm in. All right, no capping. I'm in. Okay. What's the next pair we have on board? Let me go back to the hourly time frame because I believe it's more accurate and it looks more presentable. This is not an indicator, guys. It's not. I don't use indicators. This is actually a gun box I drew. Okay, it's not an indicator. I don't use indicators. So here, I don't even know how to remove this volume. That's why I turn it into line charts. So let it be. All right, guys, we go straight to the next pair, which is NZD-USD. We've been in this trade for a couple of hours now. Yes, we got in on this in the morning. So if you're not part of the channel, if you're not part of my free Telegram channel, you're missing a lot. You're missing a lot, guys. You're actually missing a lot if you're not part of my free Telegram channel because I shared this trade live. I told everyone it's time to get in. All right, it's time to get in. And I strongly believe in this bias, in this setup. One of my students contacted me to tell me, oh, man, I'm seeing a buy. Why are you selling? I said, bro, focus on your analysis. If your analysis tells you to buy, buy. For me, mine has told me to sell. That's why I'm selling. All right. So, guys, we are currently in profit, close to 1:1. Okay. So we let it ride, we let it run. Once we hit 1:2, we start thinking of how to take some profits because we are not controlling the market. We're not the ones controlling the market. When market gives us, we do our best to get what we can get from the market and keep going. All right. So show some love, guys, by subscribing to this channel. Show some love, guys, by going to the into the description section to get um, uh, subscribed to the channel. All right. Yeah, these are my guys. All right. So that's exactly what we have going on this today. Okay, that's what we have going on. All right, now We have AUD Let's see exactly what I'm expecting on AUD. This is exactly what I'm expecting. I just shared this setup in my forum, my personal. I think I shared this one. I don't know if I've shared. Yes, I've shared it too in the group, in the Telegram channel. So if you are there, I believe you must have seen this setup and you are expecting to buy from this zone, right? So these are the things we are seeing on all these pairs. So feel free to maybe do your analysis, mark out your zones, and see if they correlate with exactly what you think. If my setups are your setups, if you think we both are seeing the same thing on these pairs, cool. If you see different, I'm not changing your mindset. We just watch, try to watch 3, 4, 5 of my live streams, and if you see I'm rubbish, you can actually cut me off and do what's right. That's how we roll. That's how we roll. Personally, that's what I did when I started my journey. Okay, I tried a couple of mentors and got the right one. Okay, I tried a couple of mentors and got the right one. So you too can do the same. Watch a couple of live streams, and if it makes sense, stick here, guys. You stay here. Let's ride. Let's trend. Let's do the shit together. Let's get locked in. This is 2026, the year of making it big. All right, we gotta make it big this year. No limitations. All right, I'm gonna hit my $100 plaque very soon, and you all gonna see it. And when you see the $100 plaque, guys, comment, tell me you love it because we are got $100,000 plaque because we are gonna hold $100,000 cash this year, not in assets but cash. Okay, so we are gonna have $100 cash this year from trading, forex trading. So be part of this journey. Be part of this journey. So you can be part of us and let's ride. Okay, $100 cash, not assets. So our assets will continue producing, but we need $100, $100,000 cash, $100,000 cash, guys. Okay. That being said, I think we've touched all the pairs I have on my watch list right now. I know you want to see gold. So many of you want to see gold. All right. I'm in on a buy on gold, but guys, I don't trade gold that much. It's a simple 1:2, and we are 1:1.5, and I'm hoping to hit 1:2 by, I don't know, anytime. So if it plays out, good. If not, tomorrow is another day. All right. So we are massive profits already in gold. We are massively in profits. Okay. We are massively in profits. So we are a few pips or take profit on gold. I don't know if you caught this move, but let me show you exactly what I saw, guys. Let me show you exactly what I saw to get this buy on gold. I believe you can see. I don't need to explain shit. I don't need to explain shit for those who take liquidity whatsoever. You can see the liquidity sweep. All right. You can see the other block. All right. For those who trade ICT, you see the shit, man. For those who trade price action, you can see the break of the upside. You see the pullback to maybe 61.8 retracement, and now we are in massive profits on gold. That's how we do it. All right. As easy as it. Don't make your strategy complicated. You make it as easy as possible so that nothing will stop you from making it big, guys. Nothing will stop you from making it big. So, what do you think? Does it make sense to you? If yes, subscribe to the channel. If yes, click on the links in the description to join the free Telegram channel and also get your accounts funded so that you can take my signals from the channel, go crazy. All right. So the links to the brokers I use, if you're in the USA, you're in Canada, or anywhere in Europe, you can use Anzo Capital. And if you're anywhere, Cameroon, Nigeria, wherever in Africa, you can use FBS. All right. Those are the two brokers I use. For those who use mobile money, I think that's best for you. Okay, guys. That being said, let's go back on Bitcoin because I had to tell you a lot about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has dealt with me once and I have learned the hard way. Okay? Most of you know I'm not a Bitcoin seller. I'm a bull, a Bitcoin bull. Okay, let's go to the weekly. You see exactly what I mean by me being a Bitcoin bull. I don't sell this shit. I don't sell this shit. I don't sell Bitcoin. Never. Guys, never. I saw Bitcoin pulling down. I made a post on my blocked Facebook account because they have actually temporarily disabled my Facebook account, my main Facebook. So I made a post that Bitcoin, they should not panic and sell. Bitcoin is just in a pullback, all right? Looking at my Fibonacci, see something. this is a clean pullback on Bitcoin. All right, we are somewhere around. Uh, we came all the way to between 78.6 and 100% retracement, which is a perfect entry, guys. I got in at 78.6. I made profit all the way up to 65 retracement level. I closed the sheet saying that I market is chubby whatsoever. And guys, I took a couple of trades around this little zone. I made profits, all right, around here. I made so much profit. This is on the weekly time frame, so you might look at it to look so small, but guys, this is a crazy move for me. I'm making some little profits. I have the videos on TikTok. I even have some on this channel, all right, where you can see on the let's say even on the short side, even here on videos you can watch. So go to the channel, you'll see a lot of content related to this. And guys, this week and I took a sell, and finally what happened? I got a breakout I've been expecting. Fuck me, got fucked up by my favorite pair, my favorite cryptocurrency. All right, no problem. So what I'm saying is, at this point, we should be buying Bitcoin. All right, no one should tell you to sell. Why are you selling Bitcoin? There's no reason to sell. If you go down to the daily time frame, let's just look at it detailing. You see what? This is the daily time frame, guys. This is the daily time frame. All right. So how do we get an entry now on Bitcoin? Since Bitcoin has left us, because personally, I should be honest with you, I missed it up because I sold from here, and price actually stopped me out and went up. Meanwhile, I never sell Bitcoin, but it's okay. That's part of the game. At times you mess up, and when you mess up, the only thing that makes you different from those who fail is the fact that you get back up and keep going. All right. So we are expecting that even though Bitcoin is rising, we will have a pullback. Don't sell the pullback, guys. Don't do the same mistake I made. So it's anywhere around here, all right? And then we continue the trend to the upside. That's exactly what I'm anticipating for Bitcoin, all right? It might not happen from this point, but we're expecting that price should come back a little bit before it continue rising. All right. I don't know if you have any questions or you want me to analyze any pair for you. Tell me in the comment section so I can do that for you and let's write. All right, because I'm actually closing the live in a couple of seconds, guys. So are you with me? Do you have any question? Yes, let me know. If no, I'm gone, guys. Thank you, guys, for being part of this live stream. Hoping to see you guys tomorrow. Ciao. What up? 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 What up?